Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for easy and practical tech tutorials made simple. In today's video, we are diving into iSpring Suite, one of the most powerful online training and e-learning authoring tools out there. So whether you're a teacher, trainer, HR professional, or even a content creator, iSpring makes it simple to turn PowerPoint presentations into interactive courses, quizzes, video lessons, and more. So we will walk you through the essentials from setting it up to creating your first course, adding interactive quizzes, and publishing your content for LMS or the web. So if you are ready to create pro-level training content without needing to be a tech wizard, let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of iSpring. On the top corner, you have the option to log in using your credentials. But the better option is to click the Try for Free button. You can simply just provide all the information needed, and to make the account creation faster and easier, you can sign up using your Google, your Facebook, or even with your LinkedIn account. And then, what will happen is you will be forwarded to a new page. There's going to be an option here to download the iSpring Suite for free, absolutely at no cost. Alright? And then all I have to do is click the Install iSpring Suite. What will happen is you will be forwarded to this section. Alright? So it takes a little while. At this point, you want to make sure that you are connected to an active and stable internet connection. And if you are having problems or issues accessing the iSpring Suite, you want to make sure that you are not using a VPN or any antivirus that could interfere with the connection. It may take a little while to install. Right now, it's around 4%. And once it's done, I'm going to get back to you. All right. And then what will happen is there's going to be a small pink button that says create a course in iSpring Suite. I want you to click that button. All right. It takes a little while. And then what will happen is it will be forwarded to the main platform itself. All right. So that's going to be the login, and this is going to be the platform wherein you can open a recent project if you have that already. But since this is a newly created account, we don't have yet anything in place, and this is going to be the perfect opportunity for us to create something here. All right, so if you click the create button, what will happen is, now once you have successfully installed the iSpring Suite application in your device or computer, it gives you all these features that you can use. Of course, on the left side is going to be the course, including slides that would give you the ability to create a narration, visuals, assessments, and interactions. It's built using PowerPoint and enhanced with iSpring's tools, making it perfect for creating structured, multimedia-rich e-learning lessons. If you want to create a new one, click the create and open right here. All right. And then what will happen is you should be able to open the courses or open any option here without any problem. Now, if you want to go to the quiz section, it will allow you to create interactive assessments to test learners' knowledge. You can use multiple choice. For example, if you wanted to create a new quiz, what will happen is you'll be forwarded here. If in case you are having problems opening the quizzes right here, okay, that means your evaluation period has been expired. All right, you need to purchase this subscription or activate the product. If you click that, you will be forwarded in to sign in with your account or activate with license key. It's up to you. All right, if you click on the sign in button, you will be forwarded here on the main homepage. And of course, you have the ability to sign in with an activation code. So for example, if you can't really open that, there's going to be more options here along the way, like the help, add feedback, and tutorials. Now I'm going to go back again to the main homepage. And again, similar to the quizzes, we have the role plays. All right, the role plays is going to be the iSpring's dialogue simulation tool, where you can create interactive branching scenarios. Learners engage in conversation with virtual characters to practice soft skills like sales, communication, and customer service. If you click the create button here, you would be able to have an option for the response path that leads to different outcomes, enhancing decision-making training. And then there's going to be the screencast. So the screencast right here, if you're able to record screencast or create your first project, it will require you to use the iSpring Cam Pro so that you can capture your screen activity, add narration and annotations so that you can edit the video inside iSpring Suite. All right, so I'm going to click the X button. I'm gonna hover back here. I'm going back to the main homepage of iSpring, which is we're gonna discuss the interactions. Now, the interactions right here is where you can build interactive learning modules that present the information in a more engaging way. All right, if you click the create button, right, you will be forwarded here. And again, since our evaluation period has expired, we're gonna need to do something about it. But if you can create templates like tables, FAQs, timelines, labeled graphics, process charts, and these make static content more dynamic and easier to understand. We have been using iSpring for quite some time, and let me tell you, it's very easy to use. I'm gonna go back again to the iSpring suite, and I'm gonna show you one feature again here, which is gonna be called the books. The books lets you turn your content into a flip book style format, because learners can flip through pages like a real book, which is great for handbooks, product guides, or reference materials. It supports both rich media and provides a familiar reading experience. All the while, you have the online, which is going to be for the pages, wherein you can create beautiful and responsive courses in minutes. So it's going to be a lightweight authoring option for micro-learning and, of course, fast content creation, because you can quickly build modern, responsive courses using a mix of text, images, videos, and quizzes. No PowerPoint required. It's ideal for short-form training like updates or onboarding snippets. And last is going to be the online quizzes. This refers to creating and publishing quizzes directly for the web or your LMS. Now, these can be shared via links and accessed on any device. I find it very useful when you want to quickly assess learners without embedding the quiz in a full course. It's absolutely yours for free. All right. Now, with that being said, that's going to be for the desktop suite. If you are encountering any problems again with the subscription, you might want to go back to your account online. And in terms of the pricing point, as you may notice that these are going to be the pricing plans. The business offers the iSpring Suite, iSpring Max, iSpring Premium. And you get to have all these perks and benefits. Okay? And then that's going to be for business. For freelancers, though, you have the iSpring Suite coming around $784, right? AUD for single user, and the iSpring Suite Max, which is going to be 1104 Australian dollars. And then there's going to be the academic, which is you can choose from any of the following options right here. It's very simple to understand. And then once you've done that, and that wraps up on our iSpring Suite tutorials. It is user-friendly, packed with practical features, and ideal for anyone looking to launch professional e-learning content fast. So if you are serious about online training, this tool is definitely worth exploring. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.